Hi everyone, today I'll be talking about composting. Here's the supplies I'll be using today. First is the pot of soil, second is our tools, third is the 2 buckets, one for water and one for compost, and finally, the seeds. The first clip here is of me mixing the soil and preparing the pot for planting the seeds. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about the two biggest forms of composting. Open air and worm. First, open air, which takes place in an open bin where microbes break down the waste. This needs a carbon-rich waste, a nitrogen-rich waste, water, and oxygen. Second is worm composting, where worms eat and break down the waste. This requires worms, small chopped waste, and bedding. Don't worry, all this extra weeds I pulled out will be thrown in the composter later. Next, I'm going to get water from my rain barrel for this project, just to be a little more sustainable. Step 2 is gathering the compost. I am now going to go through 4 different composters. First is the closed bin, built in a closed container which retains moisture and heat, usually made with an open bottom so nutrients can access the soil. Second is the open bin, used mainly for yard waste but allows access for animals and insects. Third is trench composting. It involves burying the waste in the ground. The benefits are that it's odorless and invisible. Fourth is the tumbler bin, allowing for aeration and mixing of compost inside. Air vents allow the composting process to speed up. The tumbler bin is the composter used in this project. In this clip, I'm dumping in the compost and then mixing it into the soil. The compost needs to be mixed well with the soil so that it is used for fertilizer. The last step in the project is planting the seeds. I'll be using cherry bell radish seeds because of their quick growth time and their low sunlight requirements. Finally, the benefits of composting. Composting improves the structure and health of the soil by adding organic material. It also helps the soil retain moisture and nutrients. Composting also attracts beneficial organisms to the soil and reduces the need for pesticides and fertilizers. It also reduces the potential for soil erosion. Thank you for listening to our project on the benefits of composting. I hope you learned something.